Every few years, the geospatial industry undergoes a revolution. First, it was GPS. Then came total stations, laser scanners, and robotics. Now, professionals are adding another proven tool: mapping drones. These automated eye-in-the-sky solutions boast rapid data collection times, excellent positional accuracy, and a truly safe operator experience. These are the reasons why drones are quite literally taking off around the world. From creating or updating cadastral layers, to urban planning, land management, earthworks, and quarrying, more and more geospatial professionals are enjoying the efficiency and safety benefits drones provide. If you're new to professional drone technology, the senseFly Survey 360 solution is your perfect starting point. This comprehensive package includes all the trusted senseFly and Pix 4D products you need to produce high-quality raster data and visual products on demand. Survey 360's data outputs are fully compatible with your existing CAD, survey, and GIS software. Plus, Survey 360 is backed by expert support and educational materials. And with Survey 360's optional geo-based GNSS receiver, you can achieve high-precision results without the need for a VRS subscription. The benefits of going aerial speak for themselves, with operators reporting an 80% reduction in survey costs versus terrestrial measurement, a 50% reduction in costs versus manned aircraft, quarry survey times of 4 hours versus 2 to 3 weeks, and an 80% reduction in project time for a high-altitude feasibility study. Isn't it time you joined the revolution? senseFly Survey 360, as easy as XYZ. Ask us about it today.